Today's video, which is from Toronto, Ontario, shows you how I buried whole seed heads last fall and how they germinated in the spring. I didn't sort out the seeds. I didn't separate the seeds from the chaff or the stems. I just buried them whole in 6-inch pots. In November 2023 is when I started this experiment. I didn't have any potting soil on hand, so I used triple mix and I added some perlite. So I buried the stems and seed heads for blue-stemmed goldenrod, spotted Joe Pye weed, smooth blue aster, spotted bee balm, purple coneflower, blue vervain, cardinal flower, brown-eyed Susan, lance leaf coreopsis, and great blue lobelia. This photo shows where I put the pots over the winter. I protected them from critters by covering them with an old window screen and weighing that down with 2 rocks. So here are the results from mid-May 2024. So the blue-stemmed goldenrod has done really, really well. The spotted Joe Pye weed has modest results. The smooth blue aster did fine. The spotted bee balm germinated very well. The purple coneflower has sprouts coming out of the seed head. Blue vervain germinated really well. Cardinal flower barely germinated at all. Brown-eyed Susan did well. Lance leaf coreopsis has modest results. And finally, great blue lobelia has a few sprouts, but it's nothing to write home about. Now let's look at the before and after photos side by side. The blue-stemmed goldenrod germinated like crazy. Somehow there are sprouts all over the pot instead of in a line, and I just can't explain why. The spotted Joe Pye weed has a few sprouts, but the results aren't that impressive. The smooth blue aster has a lot of sprouts, mostly in one spot. The spotted bee balm has lots of germination, all in a straight line. The purple coneflower has sprouts coming right out of the seed head. The blue vervain has sprouts that formed a single line, just like the stem. The cardinal flower did pretty poorly. I only see 2 little mini sprouts on the right. The brown-eyed Susan did well. We see the sprouts that are just above the 2 seed heads. The lance leaf coreopsis didn't do so great. I only see 2 sprouts that came from the seed head on the right. Lastly, the great blue lobelia did okay, but not really great. There are about a dozen very, very small sprouts that I can see all over the pot. So to conclude, what does this experiment mean for someone who's interested in propagating plants? I think it means that if you want to be a lazy seed starter, just throw a whole dried seed head in a pot in the fall, and chances are some seeds will germinate.